I'm going to introduce to you today, how does our CNC machining work? Firstly, our equipment adopts advanced CNC technology, capable of accurately controlling the machining process to ensure machining accuracy and efficiency. Secondly, our equipment can perform various processing operations. For example, milling, turning, drilling, etc., to meet the needs of different customers. At the same time, we have professional technical personnel and production team, being able to provide customers with comprehensive services and support. Finally, we focus on quality and reputation, dedicated to producing high-quality products and winning the trust and praise of customers. To thank you all for your long-term support, all processing fees are now only 20% off. Welcome to Smash the Order. If you are interested in our CNC machining, please contact us and we look forward to working with you.